Respected students, welcome back everyone. As I have told you that today I am going to make video on 10 reasons why you are not getting job as a Power BI developer if you are applying with experience of whether it is 1 year, 2 years, 3 or 5 years. Properly, I have written these all 10 points, but make sure you are staying till end. Each and every point I am going to explain in detail. Video will be more than 10 minutes, but each and every point and how you can overcome or what things you can do to improve these all 10 points, that also I am going to explain in this video. Just don't take screenshot and go away. Make sure you are staying till end. Each and every point I am going to explain in this video. Okay, this is the most important thing, because if you will see on our channel or anywhere now, if 100 students are there around 30-40 people are only getting job as a Power BI developer, SQL or in BI, but rest 60 to 70% people are still struggling. So in this video I am going to target that 60-70% audience and how they can improve and how they will get a job. ठीक है, from my own personal experience, from all the students experience or all our loyal subscribers who are there, with whom I had interaction in past. ठीक है, that I am going to explain in detail here. So see, if you are new on the channel, make sure you are subscribing and pressing bell icon for all upcoming videos. And see guys, more than 100 of videos on Power BI SQL I have made. Make sure you can watch whole playlist properly there. More than 800 to 1000 students have got job in last 2-3 years from that videos only. Okay, and follow us on social media, especially Instagram and Telegram. So now let's start with the video. See the first point which is there. If you are not getting job as a Power BI developer, the most important thing as a Power BI developer is that he must be good in DAX. ठीक है? Not very good, but little bit above average or somewhere he should be good. See, if you are applying as an experience, then basic DAX is not okay. ठीक है, you must be above average or somewhere intermediate level or good. You should know DAX. In that DAX, which type of DAX is important? The most important is time intelligence function, guys. See, time intelligence DAX functions which is there now. If you will give interview of any company, startup is there, MNC is there, any type of company or any round, if you are giving first technical round or second logical scenario based round, any round you are going to give, they are going to ask you on DAX. Okay, and in that DAX, time intelligent DAX function is main, date and time DAX function is main, third is aggregated DAX function, and fourth is logical DAX functions. Okay, and filter DAX function. These are the 3-4 types of main DAX function. In these DAX functions, make sure that, for example, if time intelligent DAX function is there, then 3 to 5 time intelligent DAX function you must know properly. In if logical DAX function, 3 to 5 DAX you should know. In date and time, 3 to 5. So around 18 to 20 only DAX is required. There are more than means 1000 DAX, but only 18 to 20 DAX functions which are there. You can focus on that. But those 18 to 20 DAX, you must have proper understanding about that, how to write the syntax, how understanding is there, whether you have to create calculate column or new table for it, how to use everything properly. You must know, means where sum x is used, where count is only used, what is the use of that count, how it calculates. Okay, then all selected, filter, total, MTD, YTD, this type of understanding. Only 18 to 20 DAX you can focus. So see, if you are weak in DAX, then they will not hire you as a Power BI developer, because the most important thing as a Power BI developer is in Power BI tool is to know practical concepts and how you can create measures and all those things with the help of DAX. So if you are weak on it, make sure you are working, you are practicing on it. Also, you can watch my videos for that. I have made couple of videos for DAX, basic and intermediate level. You can watch that. Second is SQL. See guys, let me be frank. If you are applying as a Power BI developer in 2024 or 25, 26, after, if you will watch this video after 1 year, then see, SQL is important only. Okay, without SQL you can't be Power BI developer. Frankly, I'm saying, because see, in some of the companies, data source can be Snowflake, Azure, or anything, but see, whatever this database side work is there na, somewhere it is same only, creating of procedure, views, tables, and all those things, union operators and all those things, sorry, set operators and all those things. So at least one database language which is there, that is compulsory, and mostly SQL is only there in data source. So SQL you must know, means it is compulsory only. I'm even not saying that basic SQL you should know. No, you should know intermediate, at least intermediate level of SQL if you are applying as 2 3 years of experience. I'm not saying that good you should be, but somewhere between basic to intermediate you should be. So in that, what is important, joins you must know, ठीक है, creating of views you must know, creating of store procedures you must know, then date and time functions are there, ranking is there, ठीक है, subsets is there, DDL, DML, all those, then set operators is there, ठीक है. So these 6 to 7 points which is there na, in that SQL you must know. I have made one specific video, how much SQL is required for a Power BI job. That video you can see, that is there in our playlist. But if you are weak in SQL, then no one is going to hire you. See, from my experience, I am going to tell in this video all. Even I am also taking interviews as a Power BI for job positions as a Power BI developer. Na? So that time I also see that whether that guy is good in DAX, at least time intelligent functions, logical functions, ठीक है, then aggregated functions. Even I am seeing how much good knowledge he is having about SQL, at least ranking or joins, basic joins he is able to tell or not, he she whatever, ठीक है. So these two things are important. And third point is not able to explain the project. See, I have seen this thing that when I take interviews, mock interviews or real time interviews also na, people had worked on that project for 8 to 10 months or 1 year, and they are not able to even speak 5 lines also about that project. Only what they are able to see that, I have created this visual, this tags I have made and published, that's it. No, you have to explain the project, how requirement gathering you have done, what was the cause of that project, why client needed those report, how it was helping, somewhere it, at least 3 4 lines you should be able to explain what actually project was. What you have done in Power BI, that too you can say only, no doubt in that, because you have done what you have done in SQL, yes you can say. But how you used to explain the report to clients, or how you used to convince them in review meeting, or what was, how requirement gathering you did, or what was the cause of the project, ठीक है, what was data source, what were the KPIs, the most important thing while explaining project is what were the KPIs, what calculations you have done, what additional value you have provided, ठीक है. Even this sorry, even on this also I have made one specific video. You can watch that video in playlist also, that how to explain the project. Even in description box I will try to uh, mention all the links of the video so that it can help you. But explaining project, at least yeah, 3 to 5 minutes you should be able to explain the project. If you had worked on that project for a year, include custom visuals, what ETL or transformations you have done, why those were required, and how it has helped to client, is client satisfied, whether the contract was extended or not by client on 1st of April. ठीक है, like this thing you can tell all those things. Fourth thing is not good in communication and confidence. See guys, you are applying as a Power BI developer, and I have told this multiple times that a Power BI developer who is there, he works as a front end. Okay, so he is there in meetings, ठीक है, internal meetings which are there, review meetings which are there, or you can say that he demos his Power BI report in front of clients. So mostly clients are foreign only. So your English communication should be good. In Agile methodology, there are many meetings. sprint review, sprint planning, backlog refinement, review meetings are there, debrief is there. Okay, so you must means I'm not saying that your English should be so good or like that, but at least above average you should be able to communicate in English. At least you should be able to explain your report, demo your report for 2 to 3 minutes to client. ठीक है? And whatever feedback he's giving, you should be able to understand his English as well. Foreign English I am saying, not Indian. ठीक है? And confidence, so if your communication is good, then you definitely your confidence will automatically increase. If you want to improve your English, make sure that you are speaking English with your friends and family rather than watching English videos, English movies, interviews, reading English newspaper. Having conversation with your loved ones or friends and family, it is going to help you more. ठीक है? Even I had made one specific video on it. You can go and watch that also video guys. Fifth thing is related to HR, not good LinkedIn profile, Naukri profile, and resume. I will tell you one my story. I have got a call from one company, one recruiter. It was a very big company. Just because my LinkedIn profile was very good, and she was continuously messaging me on LinkedIn that we are interested, we want to hire you, everything. Then I told that actually I'm not thinking of switching this company as only I've completed 6 to 8 months there. You should not even switch in less than 1 year. What I personally think. But if it is required, then you can go, no doubt. But mostly make sure that you are working at least more than a year or 1.5 years there, around 2 years. So if your LinkedIn profile is good now, then also it is going to help you a lot. Guys, see a proper profile pic, the project explanation, about summary, name and everything you can write. You can give LinkedIn assessment test also. Score will be shown if any recommendation is there. uh, Featured you can do your articles and anything what you can see my profile also, it will help you a lot. But a good LinkedIn profile is going to help you, because when you will apply via LinkedIn, so they are going to see your LinkedIn profile only first. ठीक है? Resume तो they will see only, no doubt, but if you are applying via LinkedIn, then first thing what they are going to do, they are going to check your LinkedIn. If your LinkedIn profile is very good, then definitely it is going to help you to schedule the interview. ठीक है? Then second thing is Naukri profile. See, for Naukri profile, what I personally think is that 100% it should be completed and keywords should be good. ठीक है? IT skills which are there, these three things what I personally think is important, 100% completed, along with IT skills and keywords should be properly, so that it can target. Even Naukri has SEO, search engine optimization. What is the concept of digital marketing? Even Naukri algorithm works on it. If you are able to target proper keywords and everything, then definitely it is going to help you, no doubt in that. And you will get more and more calls. See guys, from my personal experience, I am telling that when my Naukri profile was highly ranked now, in those days, in those 1 or 2 weeks, I had got daily 8 to 10 calls. Seriously, I'm saying, even many other people or loyal subscribers which are there of our Indian Paradise, even they might have faced this miracle that for around like 1 or 2 weeks, daily 8 to 10 calls we have got, and it has happened with me. Seriously, I'm saying, and not long back in 2022 end or 2023 start only. I'm saying just a year back. This has happened with me. Even just a month ago, for time pass only, I have updated my Naukri profile. That time also I have got many calls. Even I have written one post. I guess 8 to 10 calls I have got in 3 days. ठीक है? So your Naukri profile, if targeted properly, even I had made one specific video for that, for Naukri profile, LinkedIn profile, and resume. You can see that in your resume, certification must be there, project must be there properly. If possible, insert LinkedIn ID into it. ठीक है? Then make keywords bold. I had made one specific video on that. You can check for that resume also. Your resume must be good, because if HR is downloading your resume and if she is sending to manager, and if manager doesn't like even resume also, they are not scheduling the round. Even they will not take your first HR round also of that screening. Just a phone call from HR, that will also not happen if your resume is not good. Seriously, I am saying this thing on note. In 2024, there are many our loyal subscribers who are sending me a resume to review. Even in 2024, in AI era, artificial intelligence era, many people are making resume with the help of MS Word, and that too not properly aligned. Nothing, very bad resumes are there, guys. There are hundreds of free websites which are helping you to build your resume. Hundreds of, I can say. The my most favorite is FlowCV, flowcv.com. FlowCV. Okay, you can go that, you can use that. Make resume as attractive as possible with limited keywords, and it should not be more than 2 pages, guys. Okay, so please watch that video also. Sixth point is only applicable to guys who are having 3, 4, 5+ year of experience. Okay. So see, mostly in second or third manager or logical scenario based round, they will ask you some logical scenario based questions. So if you are not able to answer it now, then also they will think that we are hiring a guy with 3 to 5 years of experience. We will give him a package of 15, 20, 10 LPA, whatever it is. And if you are not understanding the logical scenarios, and if you are not able to solve it, at least in interview, somewhere you should go 50% of answer should be correct of it. Only 50%. I'm not saying that 100%, whatever the scenarios given by interview panelist must be correct, because see, everyone's project is different, and everyone has different scenarios. And on that spot, or in that 2 3 minutes also, you can't tell that scenario, solve that scenario completely. Okay, but at least 50% somewhere you should be able to answer that scenarios or write the tags for it. This is only required. When I take interview and when I ask scenario based question, I think that at least 50 to 60% he or she should be able to answer. That's it. Because every project is different. I had faced different types of scenarios. You might have faced different types of scenarios. And in this question, if in your project, if you have faced different type of scenario, make sure you are telling that in interview. You can say to interviewer, panelist, that sir, don't say sir, you can call him by first name, because in IT there is nothing known as sir or ma'am. So if you had faced different type of scenario, then make sure you are telling. You can say that, can I tell you one scenario about my project? Then definitely he or she will allow you. Definitely, I am guaranteeing you, because even they also wanted to know that what complexity you have used in your project. Okay. Then coming to seventh point, not compromising in work model and package. See, this happens in final HR round. So in final HR round, for example, if you are from Pune and Bangalore is there, and you are saying no, completely I am not going to go in Bangalore and I want Pune location only. Mostly this thing is covered in first HR round only. But still, if you are not compromising on work model, whether hybrid, remote, or you are, if their company's work model is hybrid or work from office compulsory, and if you are saying no, I want remote only, or location issues there, or package, if they are giving 10 LPA, and you say that I am not going to go, I am not going to come under 14 LPA. So somewhere due to these three things: location, work model, and package. These are the three things. If you are not able to compromise that, then definitely you will have issue, or you will not get offer letter, or not even a CTC breakup on mail ID. ठीक है, these are the three things. So I personally think, if you are in needy and if you really want job, then at least in three things you should compromise somewhere. Compromising in location is really very hard. If you are from Pune and they are saying no, you have to come to Bangalore, then that is little bit, means we can say it is a big compromise. You have to change the location, all those things. Or work model is also somewhere you can compromise. It means in work model or package you can compromise, but don't compromise in location. Personally, I'm saying if you really want Pune or any other whatever your location is there, make sure you are uh, applying in Pune or joining in Pune only. That's it. Whatever. For example, if you want Hyderabad, then join in Hyderabad only. Because if you will change the location, new people, and somewhere if you will not like that environment or company and all those things, then again that issue will happen that you want to switch and all those things. But at least if you are compromising in work model or little bit package, 1 lakh less or 1.2 something, then it's okay. But don't compromise. From my personal experience, I'm saying don't compromise in location. ठीक है. 8 point is going with fake companies and project. ठीक है. So see, there are many candidates who go with this process, and they means are going with fake experience and all those fake projects there. So again, in that what is happening, that many people or many students had used that same company. So there are around 500 600 students with that company, and again HR which are there, HR sees that there are many students are coming with that company, and also that company are not registered on Google My Business, means proper address is not going there. Okay, are you understanding? Means Google My Business, it is not navigating to that address. First thing, it doesn't have simple website also. It is not registered under Ministry of our Government of India. Then proper LinkedIn page is not there. These are the ways how you can find the fake companies which are there. ठीक है. So proper no one office is not there, or if physical verification happening then again problem, again fake projects. Same that 100 to 100 students resume is showing same project only. ठीक है. Showing same project is not, and means we can say not a big problem, but same description is there, same points are there, same KPIs, name is okay, chalo. You can say that transactions project name is there, that is used means every time, because it is related to finance, and finance project will have a report name as transaction and all those things only, projected cash like this. But same description and that points and all those, if it is same now, somewhere it will have problem. So this 8 point is also very important, I would say, because many people are getting rejected due to this only. If they are going with any company, it is not having proper address navigating, not registered under ministry. Okay, then no proper website is there. Then again you can say LinkedIn page is not there properly. None of the member of that company is on LinkedIn. Not proper for physical verification. All those things are happening. Okay, so due to this also, then again bank statement and ITR and all those things are there. So due to this, 8 point is main actually. Around 30-40% people candidates which are there, they are not getting job due to this 8 point only. 9 point is that after converting experience not able to understand how real time project work. Okay, this is also main point, that for example if any guy is there, okay, so that guy had work on digital marketing for 2-3 years, and somewhere now he is bored in that digital marketing, and he's saying that I want to work into data analytics or Power BI. So he had learned Power BI course, everything, and now what he has done, that he knows that on fresher basis he is not getting calls. So what he has done, that he has converted his digital marketing experience and shown that he had worked on Power BI only for 2-3 years. Here, so in that case, he is having real experience, all real company, real document, but real time project he had not worked. So how a Power BI project is work in real time company and client, he doesn't know that. What is Jira, what is Agile methodology, how teams are there, how requirement gathering is there, how to explain project, what are the environment, UAT, development, production. He doesn't know anything about that. So he should know about that. So again, 2-3 specific videos I have made, project life cycle management, all those things, how real time project work. Guys, make sure you are watching. It will take only 20 minutes, but in 20 minutes you will understand how real time project works. In 20 minutes you will understand. Okay, so those who are converting experience, please go and watch that video. about all environment, UAT, prod, dev, then how many teams are there, then how reports are made, how those are migrated, and all those things you will understand. Now coming to 10th point. See, before starting 10th point, let me tell you one thing. Even in 2024 also, on basis of Power BI and SQL only, you can get a job. Okay? Let me clear this thing. Disclaimer I am giving. On basis of Power BI, SQL, little bit of data concepts and basic Excel, Microsoft Excel. On these two, three things also, you will get a job. Not an issue. But there are some of the companies like 20-30% companies which are there out of 10 to 3 companies, they say that you should know Snowflake, you should know Azure, you should know SSRS or some other tool like ClickSense Tableau. So there are out of 10, 2 companies are there which are saying these things. So if you have learned this thing, Power BI and SQL properly, then you can learn Power Automate, SSRS, Snowflake, Azure. ठीक है, then little bit other tools, basics you can at least do it so that it will make your resume stronger. Okay, so it will help you so that your portfolio will be seen little bit heavy there, so that this guy knows many things, he is a all rounder. Okay, and one additional also, I would add a point here that if you are able to miss from my personal experience I am saying that if you know little bit of QA work, QA team which is there, if you know little bit of their work or database team or professional SQL developer how they work and little bit of BA work, business analyst, then somewhere also it is going to help you. ठीक है? So this I have explained 10 points properly. Even specific videos are made on it. You can go and watch that video. It will take hardly 1-2 hours to watch all the videos, but it will tell you the proper perfect reason why you are not getting job as a Power BI developer, because there are many candidates who are searching for job from last 1 or 1.5 years also, or more than that also. Some of them have just entered, who are searching for job for like last 4 to 6 months. So please watch all those videos. It will help you. If you are having any kind of doubt, make sure you are commenting within 1 hour. I will reply you guys. And follow us on social media, especially Instagram, Telegram. And if you are new on our channel, if you like the video, so make sure you are subscribing and pressing bell icon for all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching till end, everyone. Thank you.